Hello everyone, my name is Iftin. I'm studying at Nevin Nazarin and Primary School. This is a printer. This is a speaker. This is a keyboard. This is a mouse. This is a pen drive. This is a pen drive. This is a mouse. This is a CD. This is a CBO. This is a monitor. Thank you.